welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this pretty pinky peachy makeup look that I created today. But before I show you that, hi, my name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every Friday. And now I can show you how I achieve this look. I have my cute little headband on so my hair won't get into my face. And let's start putting makeup on this thing, shall we? First, I'm going to start off with a primer, and this is the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I've used it a few times and I'm loving it so far because since it's really hot out, it really gets to my skin, so this really helps not dry out my skin, and I do love the smell of it. So I'm going to take a little bit of this onto my hand, so maybe 2 pumps, so just that much, and if I need more I just get some more. So just put it all over my face, and then I'm going to rub it in with clean fingers. I forgot my mirror. It is over there. I should go get that. Not to cover my face, because I've noticed before that I do this a lot and I shouldn't be doing that. So the first time I put this on, I put too much and it made my face even more greasier. So now I know not to put that much on it. Also, the air conditioning is right there in this condo, so if you can hear that, sorry about that. I did turn the fan off, but I need the air conditioning on because it is really hot in here. So yeah, if you can see, it is really hot out. The sun's been shining all day and I've been walking around outside, and man, is it hot. If I had makeup on earlier, it would have melted off by now, so good thing I'm not going to be walking in the middle of the heat. So yeah, now that I wet my beauty sponge, it is time for foundation, and I'm going to be using my go-to at the moment, which is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I love it. It's really a good foundation, and I'm surprised it's my color because I went to the store and I kind of just guessed it. We couldn't really swatch it. The store I went to didn't have swatches available, so yeah, it is a perfect match. I'm going to be taking about 2 pumps of this, or 1.5. Yeah, because last time I used it, again, I used too much, so I'm just going to put it all over my face, and I'm just going to dab it in. I might be a little tan at the moment, so it might be a little light on me, but I'll just use some bronzer to brighten me back up, or darken me a bit up, because I think it is a little too light right now, but I'm just going to blend that in. Now that I got my foundation all blended out, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cover up my under eye circles. I'm really liking this. I wanted to see what the hype was about, and I really get it. So I'm just going to draw a triangle underneath my eye. Then I'm going to take it down the nose, and then where I have some discoloration right there by my nose as well, and I'm just going to blend it out again with my beauty blender. Also, since this is a little bit darker, I'm using the Shape Tape in medium. It darkens the foundation up a bit, so that is good. Then I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Concealer, whatever it's called. What is it called? The Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer that everyone's been waving around. This is my first time trying it, so I'm just going to squeeze a little of the product. Oh, this is the shade Honey, by the way, so put that. And then smear it out. I must be making them amazing faces right now. So just add that to highlight a little bit underneath my under eyes, because the Shape Tape is a little bit dark on me, so it conceals it, but it doesn't really highlight the under eye area. So I'm gonna use this on top and see how I like it. I think this is my shade. I just got it a few days ago, so I haven't tried it yet. So put the cap back on and see how it is. I like that. I can see why a lot of people love this concealer. It did conceal my under eyes pretty good, and it's making them a lot brighter than what they usually are, so I like that. My mole does get in the way sometimes, my little pop right there, as I call it. Little mole that always seems to be in the way of when I ever do my concealer. Then I'm going to be setting underneath my eyes with the BYS Matte Finish Loose Powder in Natural Beige. So this is going to get everywhere. I'm gonna take some in the cap and try not to spill it all over the floor. Okay, I hope that is enough. So I'm just going to dip my sponge into it and pick up the product. Then I'm going to bake my under eyes. Then I take the excess on a big fluffy brush and just set the rest of my face with it. And just swirl it in. So while that's baking, I am going to be doing my eyebrows. First, I just comb them out with this spoolie that I got at H&M, and I just calm them down because they've been out of control recently. I think I have to get them done again, so brush them down. For brows, I usually use these three products. So first off, I'm going to be taking the NYX Micro Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Brunette, and I always get this wrong. No, I got it right this time. I'm just gonna twist it up and then fill in the sparse areas of my brows. I'm not that good with my brows, I have to admit. It's been a practicing moment for me, so I think I am getting better though at it, hopefully. So I'm just going to see if I can fill them in. So let's see. If they look bad, I have to start over. Once I do that and I do them pretty thick, I did them pretty thick on accident, I am just going to comb them out and diffuse the product a little bit. Now that my brows are all in place, I'm just going to set them with the Ready Set Brow by Benefit. It's just their clear eyebrow gel. I really like it, and they stay calm down for when I apply it. So I'm just going to run it through my brows. Not too much, but it doesn't make them crispy like my previous clear eyebrow gel did. Okay, that is good. And then the last step I do is I take the Benefit Highbrow and just highlight the brow bone. I also blended in the powder that was baking underneath my eyes as well, so I don't do it for too long or else it like cakes up. So now I'm going to go back to the face, and I'm going to be using my Detail Contour and Blush palette. It's my go-to palette. I use it all the time, and I'm just going to be using the bronze shade, but since it's a little too warm for me, I'm going to be mixing in a cooler shade with it, which is the contour. So I just dip my brush into it and swirl it around my jawline. Through my temples. I'm going to be taking this angled brush and dipping it into both the contour colors, and I'm just going to slightly contour my face out. I don't go too heavy because it's still the daytime and I just don't want a heavy contour look. So I just wanted to define my face a little bit more, bring it up to the temples, so then down to my jawline. Take both colors again and do the other side. Then I'm going to be taking this brush and dipping it into the blush. I think I'm going to go mix both the shades again, the coral and the mauve, just so it creates a unique color. And I'm just going to apply that to the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Love Light highlighter in Ray of Light with a Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just going to apply this to the apples, the high points of my cheek. And I love that this highlighter is like a subtle glow highlighter. I don't really like too much, but sometimes I want to go all out, so this one is like perfect for that. I really want to try the other two shades, the silver one and the gold one, because I've heard good things about it, and I really do like this formula. Oh yeah, I'm gonna apply a little highlight, whatever is left over to that, and that is it until later. I'll put some more on because sometimes it doesn't show up too well, but sometimes it shows up really well. So yeah, that is the face so far. Now I can move on to my eyes. I brought you in a little bit more so you can see the eyes. So I'm going to be using the Peach palette by BYS today. It is a dupe of the Too Faced Peach palette. So I got this a few months back and I've been creating a few looks with it, but I've been waiting for summer to really like play with it because it is perfect and it has all these pretty pink shades. I just dropped the brushes, so I need to go get that. So I think I'm going to be using the pretty pink shades today on this side instead of the peachy tones. So I'm going to be doing my eyes with it. First, I'm going to be using this color of the palette just as a base. So the shade I use is called Dainty, and for my crease, I'm going to be taking this matte pinky peach shade in Lavish. So I'm going to get that onto my brush. Then I'm just going to apply this to my crease. There's a little bit of fallout on this, so be aware of that if you're using this palette. Then I'm going to be taking this color in the shade Pamper, which is a pinkish champagne peachy color again, and focus that into the middle of my lid. So apparently that wasn't recording, so all I did was take my MAC Fix Plus spray and then just wet my makeup brush with it, and then I dipped it into this metallic pink color which is called Slay and placed it on the middle of my eye. So apparently I didn't press record or just stop recording, so that's what I did. And now I'm just blending out the crease color with my crease brush so I can blend it all together. And since I'm still practicing eyeshadow, I am blending it to no end right now, so I'm just going to be finishing that off and then I'll do the other eye off camera. Now I'm going to do liquid eyeliner, and this is the Maybelline Hyper Sharp liquid eyeliner. So I'm going to attempt to do my eyeliner. I've been practicing and I've been getting kind of good at it, but since I'm recording this, it's probably not going to go as well as I hope to off camera. So let's just see how it turns out. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I was expecting. I hope they are even. So that is my eyeliner. For mascara, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is my go-to at the moment. I really like it and it really does wonders to my lashes. So I'm just going to apply a few coats of this to my lashes. I'm not going to do falsies today because I forgot to bring some. I thought they were in my skincare bag, but they aren't. So I have no eyelashes for this trip. So that is pretty sad, but we're just going to make do with mascara. Okay, mascara is done. So now I'm going to go back to the Peach palette and I am going to take a small pencil brush and just grab this color in Cheeky, no, Lavish I mean, and just smoke out my under eye. Then I'm going to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I have a few lip options, but I'm going to be using this corally dark pink in the shade Bittersweet. This is the Sleek Matte Me lipstick and I really like this liquid lip. But first I'm going to line it with the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade Contempo. And that right there is the finished makeup. So it's a pretty pinky, peachy colored look. I really like how the eyes turned out. I'm still practicing with color, so forgive me, I'm not the best in the world. So I'm just having fun with makeup. I'm still learning, still having fun playing with it. So this is the look that I did today. And yeah, that is the completed makeup look. I hope you liked it. It's really fun and pretty and perfect for summer. So I'm going to be wearing this a lot. And I do love the matchy pinky, corally, peachy kind of look. So yeah, I really like how my makeup turned out. So if you like this makeup tutorial slash get ready with me, I don't know what I'm going to call this yet, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!